The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.